With our most anticipated launch of 2026 with the new 2009 to 2018 Morimoto headlights, you're probably wondering what the Supercharged Driver is, what it does, and why it's beneficial. If you're doing a lot of off-road driving or you want something a little bit brighter to enhance your headlight, you're going to want to get this guy. It's a super quick install process that we're going to show you. It's about 5 minutes. All you need is a screwdriver, your Supercharged Driver, and your headlight. For this demonstration purpose, we are using the RGBX headlight, so just keep that in mind. If you have not the RGBX, it works the same process for both headlights. So step one, you're just going to take your headlight, you're going to flip it on over to the back side here, and then you're going to go ahead and take out the 4 screws here. Now that all 4 screws are done, you're just going to pop this guy out. Go ahead and pop that guy right off. Next, you're just going to unplug both of these little cords. So as you can see, your Supercharger Driver has the exact same ports, so you're just going to go ahead and plug those cords right back into the exact same spot as it was at the original. Going to go ahead and tuck those cords back in and then make sure that it's seamless, and then you're going to fit the Supercharged Driver just back in there nice and snug. Next, you're going to take those 4 screws again and you're just going to go ahead and you're going to screw back on your Supercharged Driver. We're going to skip to the next clip so you don't have to watch it. Once your 4 screws are in, you're just going to flip over your headlight and we're going to plug this in, and then we're going to show you the difference of having the Supercharged Driver on and opposed to having it not on. We started off on the low beam here, and then you can see the top that is with no supercharger and the bottom with the supercharger, and we tested the high beam as well. The difference may look minimal, but it really makes a difference. That Supercharged Driver is going to give you a better punch of light, creating a better beam pattern, which it may be hard to see on the wall, but it really reflects on the road. So if you're doing lots of off-road driving or looking for something to enhance your lights and make them a little bit brighter, this is for you.